Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lexy, the best of the best and the real of the real. Vibes Cartel appeal date has been changed. Yes, changed. The man been in jail for 8 years, and again, it's pushing from February to July. We don't know when the world boss is gonna be free, but it has changed. We'll see what will happen. Last week Sunday, dancehall artist Unycorn was shot and killed in Kingston. Police have not confirmed any suspects, but the investigation is still ongoing. Unycorn was known for working with Maka Diamond. One of their smash hit singles was Think Bold. So many of you have been wondering what happened to Khago. If you don't know who that is, he sings this song. According to his Facebook Live video, he states that many individuals that he had relationships with have fallen out, and that is the result of why many of his music has not been played, because they had the power of taking his music off the radio waves. So, due to that fact, many other DJ artists have also followed in that lead, as he stated in that video. If you'd like to know more about that video, you can check his Facebook. But that rolls right into our next topic, Gully Bop versus Khago. In one of Khago videos, it was stated that he said that he was offering Gully Bop a home due to the fact of Gully Bop's living situation. Now, Gully Bop did not take that quite well. Gully Bop went on Facebook Live and said some words.
I'm not gonna put you up because it's too outside.
But if you want to go check that out, you can go on Dancehall Shade Room and they have a piece of that video there as well. I'm gonna talk about Spice again because she not stop. So lately, Spice has been on plenty of famous Instagram pages doing a lot of comedy skits. One of her recent comedy skits she's done was with Fat Boy SE. Haven't seen that yet, go check that out. But there's also word that she's doing music with him as well. I'm hoping to see that. That is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.